In this episode, I'll be redoing leather on my steering wheel. When we bought her, she had this one on the steering wheel, and you can see how bad it was. And they even fixed it with blue isolation tape. Amazing. I couldn't live with this, so had to redo it. Here is the first variation I made a year ago. I couldn't find nice leather, so I just bought huge skirt in second hand for like €2. The main problem was that leather was very thin, but anyway, worked nice for a year. And recently I got a half of an animal. It's nice and thick. Just one thing to keep in mind, every measurement will be different, and it depends on your leather thickness and how it stretches, so not one size fits all. So we cut it, punch holes for a couple of hours and sew it together. Don't forget to put double-sided tape to keep leather in place. And looks much better now. Vilka approves.
If you wanna know what we'll do next on our boat renovation journey, check the video next to me and we'll see you there.